Drink up cucumber juice to melt your belly fat. Melt away even the most persistent of belly fat with this amazing drink. This easy-to-make juice is guaranteed to produce results in a short span if consumed regularly. Normally, metabolic activity slows down while you are sleeping, and this is where the Wonder Elixir works magic. Consume this drink before going to bed and watch your body fat, especially belly fat, burn away. The cucumber and lemon in this drink both have low calorie count and are rich in antioxidants, making the drink highly effective for weight loss. Ginger and aloe vera stimulate metabolism. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, 1 lemon, a bunch of parsley or cilantro, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 1 tablespoon aloe vera juice, 1/2 glass water. Directions: juice these ingredients well and drink before bedtime. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe our channel.